Now we will work on our pagination component. So first of all, we will go to the component directory and create a component named pagination.jsx. So our pagination component will also be a functional component, and it will also be a controlled component, and we will use Zen method again to create our pagination structure. Before we do that, let's go to the bootstrap website and take a look at the structure of the pagination there. So look here. First of all, we have UL tag with class name pagination. Inside that we have li tag with class name page item. Inside we have an anchor tag, but we will not use anchor tag. Instead we are going to use span tag with class name page link. And if we scroll down and look carefully, we have different sizes of pagination. So there is an extra class in our UL tag which can be pagination-lg for large, pagination-md for medium, and pagination-sm for small sizes. So we will use pagination-md for medium size. And we can also align our pagination by using extra class justify content center and justify content end. So we are going to use justify content end to align our pagination at the end. So we are going to use this version of pagination and modify it according to our need. We will add single arrow in the left and single arrow in the right as well. So we will have two types of arrows at the left and two types of arrows at the right, which will not change. And in the mid we have our pagination numbers which will change. So if we think about it, then inside of our UL tag we have 4 fixed li tags with spans for our left and right arrows which will not change, and changes will happen in the middle of our pagination. So we will have 5 li tags totally with spans in which 4 of them will be fixed and one will change conditionally, that we will talk about later. So let's go to our code and first create this structure in our code using Zen method. So first we have our UL tag with pagination, pagination-md, and justify content and classes. Then inside of that we have li tag with class page-item. Then inside that we have span with class page-link. And this li tag we want 5 times. So we will wrap it in bracket and multiply it by 5 and hit enter. So our structure is ready for the pagination. Now it's time to add some content to our span tag. First we will add arrows inside our span tag, and we will use HTML entities to achieve that. So we have ampersand LAQUO semicolon for double left arrow. We have ampersand LSAQUO semicolon for single left arrow. We have ampersand RSAQUO semicolon for single right arrow. And at last we have ampersand RAQUO semicolon for double right arrow. Don't worry, I will add these in the description, so you can copy and paste that. So we will add these inside our span tags, and for the middle one we are just gonna use 1 for now and test the result up to this point. So to test this we are gonna use our pagination component in our app.js module and then go to the browser. So here inside our app.js module we have added this pagination component, and then now in the browser we can see the result. This is exactly what we want.